Step 7. Things.
Tab Things. Well, this tab is the most exciting part of our social network and messaging system. Tab Things is a social network for all the smart devices that you might have. It is obvious that if 26 plus billion smart devices will join the network within the next 5 years, we need a unified platform where they all can communicate with each other, they can communicate with us, their owners, and that they can get data efficiently. On top of that, the security is issue number one online and online privacy. This all can be solved through blockchain technology and decentralization. That's why we created a special tab such as Things, where we can have our smart devices share with each other the data that we need. All your private information is now stored on your devices, on your accounts, with artificial intelligence bot, and Tab Things also is going to be a home for your artificial intelligence bot that we call Eric, Eternal Ruler. And Eric bot will help you manage all your smart devices, manage all the data, and when you walk in the world and your devices get in contact with other devices, that they specifically share the data that they need to make your life easier. Eric bot is our invention. We've been working on optimization for quite some time, and this is something that we want to share with you. It's always going to be free, and it will evolve around you. Eric bot is like your Sputnik. It will evolve around your interests, around the things that you do, things that you have, things that you own, your security system, your smartwatches, your other private information. It will help you to be on your devices and monitor who uses, who gets access. It's your private gatekeeper who decides what information is important for you, what information to store, and which information to share. This is the only way how we can put things in right order. And for instance, I'll give you an example. In 2004, when I started to work as a search engine optimization specialist, I used the public software, and it would take me 8 hours to do 25 blocks. Within 6 months, I sat down with one of my programmers, and we optimized that 8-hour process in 1 minute 33 seconds. That's pretty significant. What would you do if you had an extra time? So throughout these years, I've been developing all kinds of bots, and so it came to the point where we needed to have some unified platform to have those bots, and I want to share those technology with other people to help them optimize their time, their daily activities, some of the processes, and so you can spend less time doing things and more time having fun. That's why we call it artificial emotional intelligence, because it's programmed and designed to help you save time and meet people, go out and do things that we don't have time to do, like to exercise or learn how to play guitar or maybe start painting. These things make us happy, but we are so overwhelmed with all the things that we need to do right now that we need something to help us sort these things out. So the tab Things will include all kinds of services like eBay or Craigslist, where you can post listings of your devices, where you can collect data. All the data that the Internet of Things can offer now can be handled in this tab. For instance, you want to sell a car, but you take it to a special services. So when you selling your car, you can have all the data available for your buyers to see what kind of filters, what kind of oil your car been using. Or if you're buying a car, that information would be even much better than Carfax. Also, you can sell your cell phones or other smart devices. So now we're going to have more tangible data available to us upon our request. It's going to be much easier to find the right things when we need them, and it will help us to have 100% online privacy. It will help us to have no security issues, and it will help us to optimize our life and daily activities to our maximum.